Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
Today my topic is the root problem of society and world. The root problem of society and world divided into many sectors. First, health system. To patient and doctor, the ratio remains very low. The Indian public expenditure or 2.1% of GDP. Health system are most expensive. And second, poverty. A person who cannot able to complete basic needs as known as poverty. Causes of poverty: low agriculture productivity, lack of capital and entrepreneurship, low rate of economic development, and for preventive measure of poverty, increase the rate of GDP, increase the number of new jobs, and government promote new education skills and launch many various programs like PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana and startup. Third, climate change. Climate change refer to shift high temperature and weather condition. Causes of climate change. Main reason: a burning of fossils like such as coal, reduce the large number of harmful gases and NO2. Harvesting of forest, and following